factorise completely the following. So we've got 3ab squared minus 6a squared bc. So writing that out, and then writing this one here, really you should do this. This is 3 times a times b, and then here we've got minus 2 times 3, so we notice we split the 6 up into minus 2 times 3, times a squared, so it's a times b times c. Now, you pair up common factors. Well, there's 3 terms, you'd have to join up all 3. So, let's have a look here. We've got a 3 and a 3 which is in common. We've got an A and an A which is in common. And we've got a B and a B which is in common. Right, so you should write that down. 3AB, the ones which have been underlined, write down. Open up a bracket. Now look at this, what's left. We've got a B only which is left. Then here we've got a minus 2. And we've got an A. And we got a C. So this factorised, it becomes 3ab brackets b minus 2ac. B, we've got minus 12x squared y, and I've actually left a bit of a space between each of these for a reason. Minus 18x cubed y squared minus 3xy. So here we've got minus 2 times 3, which makes 12. X times x, which is x squared, y, and here we're going to have minus 2 3 times 3. For x cubed we're going to have x times x times x, and then y squared, y times y, and the last one we've just got 3 times x times y. So we've got to now look at all 3 terms and pair up things which are common. Well, the minus sign is common in all 3. What else is common? There's no 2 common in all 3, but there is a 3 common in all 3, so we'll underline those. There is an x in all 3. Now for the second x, here there's a second x, but here there is not, so we cannot underline that. For the y, we can got y, we can pair up. Right, so now write down the minus sign, the 3, the x and the y, and then introduce a bracket, so then we have 2 times 2 left. Forget the minus sign's gone out. Because we take the minus sign out, the next one is plus. Here what we've got left, we've got 2 times 3, which is 6, and we've got x times x, which is x squared, and we've got a y. And here we've got we've taken everything out, but we've got to put something in here, so when we multiply this back in we do actually get this, and what we need to put in is a plus 1. Close the bracket. So this factorised becomes minus 3xy brackets 4x plus 6x squared y plus 1. So this has been a video to review how to factorise expressions.